Hello friends! To make the most delicate dessert, we will need 12 pieces of Oreo cookies. The cookies need to be crushed into fine crumbs. This is what a crumb should look like. Add 5 tablespoons of melted butter to the cookies. Mix well to form a homogeneous mass. Transfer the crumbs to the pan. Evenly distribute the crumbs over the bottom of the pan. And we press our cookies so that they hold their shape well. Our base is ready. Let's put it aside for now. 2 tablespoons gelatin. Half a cup water. Mix well and leave the gelatin to swell. We will also cut 5 pieces of Oreo cookies. We will add it to the milk mass. This dessert is so delicious and tender that you will want to make it every day. If you like no-bake desserts, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a new recipe. Let's set our cookies aside and start preparing the milk mixture. We will need 2 cups of chilled heavy cream. Whip the cream at high mixer speed. Approximately 4 to 6 minutes. After the mass thickens a little, add 1 cup of mascarpone. 1 2/3 cups powdered sugar. Again, beat everything well with a mixer. Beat until the mixture becomes thick and airy. Now add the swollen gelatin, which we preheated in the microwave. Pour gelatin into the milk mixture. Beat with a mixer for another 1 minute. After the gelatin is well mixed, add the cookies that we prepared in advance. Mix gently with a silicone spatula. Transfer the mixture to the prepared mold. Smooth the dessert with a spatula. Sprinkle the top with cookie crumbs. Now let our dessert sit in the refrigerator for 3 hours. The dessert is almost ready. All that remains is to decorate. Definitely try making this dessert. This cheesecake is perfect for both a festive table and a tea party with friends. Cook with me simply and deliciously. This is so tasty. Enjoy your meal.